Hello everyone, welcome to the video session of Introduction to Event Management. Today we will be discussing the part 2 of module 4 and hereby ending with our subject. The part 2 of module 4 focuses on celebrity events, award ceremonies, sports event as well as exhibition management. So let's begin with the celebrity events. Now each and every event organizer or event manager, let's say, are used to all the types of the events as well as the celebrity events, but the thing which make it different from the regular event is that it is much bigger, expensive as well as grand. So let's discuss that a celebrity event manager has to do the following activities, that is communicate with a wide range of people, handle the marketing as well as the publicity task, organize the logistics for each and every minute details, negotiate with the venues as well as the vendors, manage the security and make the risk assessment plans, as well as has to make sure that everything is done with the strictest confidentiality. The next is that these are the general consensus among the people who have worked with the celebrity clients and have listed down the following points. The first one is that it is easy to get caught up in the hype of a celebrity lifestyle. You need to manage your clients' expectations extra carefully. You cannot steal the spotlight by just asking for the public endorsement, as well as you must avoid gossiping about your clients. And you should not cut the prices to get the clients come for your event. The next is planning of the award ceremonies. Now we all know that we live in a society where people love to honor the people for their achievements. So these are the points which you can take into consideration while planning the award ceremonies. The coordination of judging process may be done by a committee. You must recruit a jury committee, that is the members or jury members who are going to judge the award function. If you pick the celebrities, particularly media celebrities, to be judged, then you will likely guarantee that your event will be on television or in the newspaper. The next one is you need to make sure that they understand the rules and regulations to keep their selections secret until the ceremony, and there must not be any prejudice or bias regarding the results. The next decision is how you will accept the submissions. So for that you can run an announcement in the local media if you want to get submissions throughout the community. And for example, if you're organizing any award ceremony from the organization, then if the awards are based on the performance from within that organization, you can ask for the submission from the same organization. The next we move on to is how to plan a sports tournament. The first step is to get organized with all the details, the timeline and the schedule, as well as the volunteers and your team members to clear about the objectives. Next is select the dates. You need to be flexible enough in selecting the dates for the tournament. Next is choose a venue. You need to make sure that how many sports are included in your tournament. Whether there are more than one sport involved in your tournament, you must have a space for that. Determine the tournament style. How many players are going to attend this tournament, how many participants you are going to approach, or how much the audience will be. Plan the suppliers regarding your posters or regarding the lightings, regarding the stage or the scoreboards. Everything must be planned enough and must be made the contract with the vendors. Promotion of the tournament. You can start your promoting your tournament via social media or print media. You can start approaching to the players, participants as well as your target audience and the referees and judges. Get the details ahead of the time. Get the awards, trophies, certificates and souvenirs ready before the time. Reserve officials and referees a month ago. You need to at least approach to the referees and the officials a month ago from your tournament as well as your sponsors. Reach out to the participants. Try encourage the participants and attract the participants and the target audience regarding your tournaments. And review the plan. After deciding or after planning the tournament, you have organized all the details, the times, venues, the budget, the supplies. You just go through the plans and you have to make the checklist that you are not missing any of the detail. This was about planning a sports tournament. Now the next we move on to is planning a successful exhibition. Now exhibition events are most important marketing tool to showcase your product as well as what you are showing, what you are doing. The first one is thinking of exhibiting. You need to ask yourself, why are you exhibiting? Whether you want to launch a product, whether you want to spread any awareness among people. Let's say, for example, if you're organizing any educational event. The next one is the defining the target audience. Now, in an educational event, what can be your target audience? You can target to the school students or the college students as well as the faculty members and the directors and trustees. The next one is planning the exhibition. In that, you will decide the venue. You will do the research on what you want your customers to learn from that exhibition. You can do the research on your competitors' offerings, that how are they organizing the exhibition, what are their potential customers. Consider the budget. You stick to the budget and you plan the venue, that is the location and the date and time accordingly. Design your stand experience. Now, to design your stand experience, there are three parts. That is approaching your stand, that is marketing and messaging, how you are promoting the event, how you are reaching to your audience. Entering your stand, that is on the day of the event, how you are connecting to people and how you are engaging them in your event. And lastly, leaving your stand, that make sure that the customers or your target audience leave with a free bunch of leaflets or brochures or templates. And the last one is the promotion of exhibition. Before the exhibition, how your promotional strategies are framed, how you are promoting on social media or on print media via email marketing or blogs. During the exhibition, make sure that people are interactive in the exhibition, as well as after or the post-event activity. You can ask for the feedback form for their fresh insights or any improvements to be made in the next event. So this was all about planning the exhibition, award ceremonies, as well as the celebrity events. So hereby we are completing our subject introduction to event management. I hope it will make very much easy for you to understand the whole subject through our videos. Thank you so much.